sepsis is a systemic inflammation, an overwhelming immune response of our bodies to the pathogen. The main entrance points for sepsis or infection in general is lung, urinary tract, gut, skin as well. My research evolved on a rather very unusual approach, that is using carbon monoxide, and yes, you heard it right, that is infamous historically gaseous molecule carbon monoxide. However, if administered or used at very small non-toxic concentrations, carbon monoxide offers very potent cytoprotective and anti-inflammatory effects. We have sufficient experimental data and intellectual property rights, and we are currently collaborating with the pharmaceutical industry in terms of moving carbon monoxide-based therapy into the clinical trials. So we are very excited and hope that this will offer the field with some potential treatment and therapy to counteract severe systemic inflammation. If a single patient can be saved, I'm the happiest camper on the planet.